and welcome to Mindfulness. For today's session, if it's possible, allow yourself to either lie down flat on your back or just relax. Take a moment to tune into your breathing, letting it slow down and soften. Feel your stomach and rib cage's muscles expand as you breathe in and contract as you breathe out. Really feel yourself sinking, dropping down into the surface on which you are resting. There's nothing to hold on to here. As you breathe this way, we'll allow ourselves to scan through the entire body from head to toe, relaxing every muscle, starting with the head and face. If there's any tightness or tension, just let it go and let gravity take over, letting your eyebrows and forehead soften, letting your jaw slack, tuning into the muscles in your neck and shoulders, and letting them slide down with the weight of gravity. Use only the muscles you require, nothing more. Releasing any tension or tightness in your arms and hands, torso, back, and abdomen. Let everything be loose. Allow your sit bones and hips to relax and soften. Feel your thighs, knees, and calves melting with the weight of gravity. It is safe for you to let go. Your feet are becoming as heavy as anchors. There's nothing to hold on to. It's safe to relax. Let go. Drop in, and once you feel yourself beginning to relax, you may allow the breath to flow naturally at this moment. All that is there is your breath and the relaxation of your body. If you ever find your thoughts wandering, know that's okay. Just return your attention to your breath and your relaxed body. With your body, heart, and mind deeply relaxed, you feel a true inner knowing within you that you can carry this relaxation with you as you take your time coming back, bringing your awareness back to the world around you, wiggling your fingers and toes, moving your body nice and slowly, reintegrating your awareness back to the world around you, opening your eyes only as it feels good to you, and taking your time as you carry this beautiful relaxed feeling with you everywhere you go throughout the rest of your day. Thank you so much for being here. We appreciate you, and if you enjoyed this content, we invite you to subscribe. Let us know how it makes you feel. Thanks again, and have a wonderful rest of your day.